People call me delusional when I said that XRP could retest under $2. We ended up getting to about $1.91, about basically $1.90. So let's jump into the XRP chart and discuss where price could potentially go next. But before we get into all of this, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the XRP team in any way, and I'm currently not invested in XRP at the making of this video. Now, first and foremost, we had a nice little retracement. This ended up getting right down into the epic golden pocket with this liquidity test. That's right in between the 6180 and the 7860. Beyond that, we did have a couple of candle bodies that landed in the traditional golden pocket. On top of that, we are just starting to get into a bullish crossover on the 4-hour again, and we can see that we are relatively oversold across the board on the CCI and the MACD, and there is still plenty of volume inflowing. This is still bullish. And technically speaking, this has gone through its first wave. You could even consider this a bull flag continuation. A bull flag continuation would almost look like this, what we would call a little bit of a relief dump. So we could find a nice floor. Mind you, this $1.96 range was a major long-term SR flip from 2021. This was the all-time high essentially from 2021. So the fact that we were able to maintain, hold, and push as support from that point is very bullish long-term. Now, if you're looking at this from a trading perspective too, and you want to know what the next potential take profits could be, the first point you'd want to look for if this breaks to the top side would be this range high at about $2.90. If this does break and we pop the top and start to continue to move up, the next place that we could see price push would be up to about the take profit 2 to take profit 3 based on the Fibonacci retracement. And that would put us at about $3.80 up to $4.37, which would all be brand new all-time highs for XRP. That's incredibly bullish long term. Now, mind you, sitting at this take profit 1 point at $3.28 is going to be give or take the all-time high from 2017. So you could see a little bit of chop, a little bit of selling pressure when you get there, but all in all, based on the Fibonacci, we've only gone through one phase. Fibonacci's usually like to go through 2 phases. So this second leg that we're going into could easily push us into new all-time highs. If you want to learn how to trade or come trade with me, get access to our community, our academy, trading floors, all that stuff, there are limited spots available in the EPIQ Trading Floor. I'll tag that link up top. It's also in the description, or you just go to EPIQ Trading Floor.com. Click 3-day trial to grab a spot or learn more. There's a 3-minute video you can watch and it'll show you exactly what you would get from joining the All Access membership. So this is going to wrap up the video on XRP. Short, quick, to the point. Mind you, we need to hold the support as a true support. So just because it looks like we can get up to over $3.80 doesn't mean it's going to do that tomorrow. This could continue to stay within this trend. You're going to need to break the trend itself and even potentially find an SR flip before breaking to the top side. And at the same time, this could easily come back down and test this $1.95 to $1.90 range again, retest this liquidity zone and this little sweep, maybe even get down to 186. So with that in mind, if you want to stay up to date with all of this, hit that follow button and subscribe. I appreciate you all. I hope you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world, and I will see you on the next video.